Artificial Intelligence in Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics, a Game Changer, a review article by Merwaha in 2023. The artificial intelligence is a branch of applied computer science which was initially introduced by Roger Mann and John McCarthy in 1956. Some types of artificial intelligence, including Type 1, with the narrow artificial intelligence, it's considered as awake AI, and it has the intelligence to complete particular jobs, and it fails if it exceeded the boundaries. And the general artificial intelligence, that any intellectual task can be completed as efficiently by a human. The artificial superintelligence, which is a system intelligence, the computers are able to outperform the human in any task due to their cognitive capabilities. For the Type 2, the reactive machines, and those only intended to perform a small number of specific tasks, and the limited memory, which can keep a track of prior informations or forecasts. The theory of mind, it is referred to the idea that a person experiences different emotions and feelings that have a complete impact on their behavior. And the self-awareness, it is when machines are capable for understanding for both their own emotions and mental status as well as those for others. The working of artificial intelligence, it uses a sophisticated algorithm, it's quick repeated processing and volumes of data to enable the software to learn patterns automatically and work accordingly. It has three functions: the learning, thinking, and self-correction. And they goes under the subdomains of machine learning or deep learning. For the machine learning, it emphasizes to use the data and algorithm to imitate the human learning skills and gradually improve the accuracy. For the deep learning, the neural networks try to replicate the function of the human brain by allowing the machine to learn from the large volume of a database. It's somehow mimicking the human neurons interact with one another in the brain to interpret the information. The role of artificial intelligence in conservative dentistry, in caries detection and vertical root fracture and detection of tooth preparation margin and prediction of restoration failure. For the caries detection, the approach showed better results and more accuracy than prior study using multiple step approach. For the vertical root fracture, it has the potential for spotting vertical root fracture on panoramic pictures. And also for the role of an artificial intelligence in endodontics, in the root morphology, it helps in evaluating the root canal morphology and their three-dimensional changes following instrumentation. For the working length verification and also locating the apical foramen, the results in an improved radiographical working length determination and helps to improve the diagnosis. Some retreatment prediction and also a detection of periapical lesion. It results in high accuracy in detecting a periapical pathology over the CBCT images. Detection of periapical cystogranuloma. The gene expression was examined to differentiate a cyst and a granuloma. Viability of dental pulp stem cells. It can predict the cell viability. Detection of a vertical root fracture. It might be useful in identifying root fracture. And also miscellaneous, like setting up the patient's appointment in the clinic and getting the patient to complete medical and dental history and assessing the dentist in making an accurate diagnosis and treatment plan and the aftercare and the online emergency medical device and reducing the amount of time spent over the assessment of the records for the patient. For the limitation, the uses of an AI in healthcare, it is still in its infancy and can come with a number of demanding conditions. As a conclusion for this review article, even though numerous studies have shown that the AI might be employed in dentistry, it has been viewed as a helpful tool by a variety of professionals and dentists.